There are currently 7 different Echo smart speaker display product lines, each bringing something distinct to the table. There are also a few other products that bear the Echo name, including wireless earbuds, in-car smart assistants and even smart buttons. If you like the idea of having a home assistant waiting on your every command, then you've come to the right place. Here, we'll run you through the best Echo devices that are currently available, the differences between each model, and explain which are most suitable for particular tasks. Not sure which Echo is best for you? Then read on. There are many products available to choose cheap Echo, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap Echo reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Echo, 4th Gen, 2020. The best all-around Echo speaker. The spherical design of the new Echo is a departure from the towering cylinders of old, but it's not the only new thing this 4th Gen smart speaker has to offer. By adding a second 0.8mm tweeter, the new Echo can adjust more adeptly to the acoustics of the room it's in, and produce something resembling stereo audio playback as well. Of course, Alexa is as helpful as ever, and all new Zigbee support means the Echo has replaced the Echo Plus, and can now double as a smart home hub for your lighting or thermostat. The Amazon Echo, 4th Gen, is, well, the 4th generation of its popular smart speaker. The original Echo looked like a large soda can, but every model has been progressively more refined and round since then. The 3rd generation Echo was a small, doughy-looking speaker that was more smart home device than it was speaker. That changes with the Amazon Echo, 4th Gen, speaker, designed to be a decent-sounding speaker. While it's larger and rounder than the previous generation, it's still the same Alexa speaker that so many people enjoy. In a year both Google and Apple launched new $100 smart speakers, Amazon had to make its 4th Gen Echo smart speaker stand out. And at least in design, it did. The Alexa countertop device is shaped like a sphere, a striking departure from the soft cylindrical speakers of past generations. 6 years after the first Echo launched 10,000, or at least a few dozen, smart speakers, a reimagined design was overdue. Who is it for? This is the standard model for those who want a good all-round speaker, with the advantages that Alexa brings. If you don't need extra bells and whistles, like an extra screen or an integrated camera, but want something with some solid sound that won't break the bank, then this is the Echo for you. Number 2. Amazon Echo with Clock, 4th Gen, 2020. The best cheap Echo speaker. Like its bigger sibling, the Echo Dot has had a stylish overhaul. The 4th generation of Amazon's smallest smart speaker is pretty much identical to its predecessor on the inside, with the same 1.6mm tweeter providing the audio, but is now spherical in shape, and comes with a built-in LED digital clock face if you spend £10 more. As per usual, Alexa is on hand to answer questions, set timers and control smart home devices, although there's no built-in Zigbee hub here. Who's it for? Those who want the Echo's Alexa functionality, but have a pre-existing sound system or a tight budget. Number 3. Amazon Echo Studio. The best sounding Echo speaker. If it's high-quality audio you're after, the Echo Studio is the Amazon speaker for you. It has a total of 5 audio drivers, 3 mids, 1 tweeter, and 1 woofer, that work in tandem to produce the best sound of any Echo speaker we've tested. It helps hugely that the Echo Studio supports high-res audio, 24-bit up to 192 kHz, and Dolby Atmos, as well as Amazon's proprietary 3D audio format, which takes full advantage of the 5-driver arrangement. The Studio is equipped with Amazon's usual suite of Echo-specific features. The ever-helpful Alexa will answer questions, play music, set timers, store reminders, and interact with your smart home appliances. It can also pair via Bluetooth with the Amazon Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Cube to enhance your film watching experience. When Alexa is activated, or you have a notification, you'll find the iconic Halo lettering at the top. The speaker can be controlled wirelessly via the Alexa app, which isn't ideal, with voice commands using the Alexa hot word, or with its physical buttons, Alexa action button, volume up, volume down, or mute microphone. Who is it for? Audiophiles who like Amazon's ecosystem and don't want to shell out vast sums for a great sounding smart speaker. Number 4. Amazon Echo Kids. The best Echo for children. More than just a cutesy redesign, though that is most definitely a plus, this is a 4th Gen Echo that is optimized for children. The restricted functions allow your child to play music, ask Alexa questions, and call approved friends and family. The easy-to-use parental controls allow you to set daily time limits, filter out explicit songs, and review activity via the Amazon Parent Dashboard. Another great perk is the inclusion of 1 free year of Amazon Kids Plus, which gives children access to child-friendly audible books, educational materials and interactive games. This will be set to automatically renew after the year is up, so be sure to cancel it via the Parent Dashboard before the renewal date if you don't want it to continue. Amazon Kids also gives access to Audible, with thousands of hours of audiobooks at your kids' disposal. You can say, Alexa, tell me a Disney story, and it'll offer you short or long stories, or you can pick characters from Disney to hear a story about. Our preschooler loved asking for Woody stories, big Toy Story fans right here. You can play interactive games with your kids, such as Gruffalo Move, which takes your child through the Gruffalo's Wood, where they'll meet familiar characters and make what happens next decisions. There are also physical activities along the way. For older kids, there's a Star Wars Choose Your Own Destiny game. In fact, there's pretty much a game for whatever your kid is into, from Bing and Barbie to Ghostbusters or Duplo. These games and skills are pretty decent, although some of the voices are slightly robotic sounding. However, that seemed to add to our kids' excitement somehow. The games are well thought out and adapts well to whatever our kid threw at it. We only wish the same applied to the parents. Who is it for? Anyone who would like their kids to have access to all the fun and educational material that Alexa can offer, but doesn't want to just let them loose in the untamed wilds of the internet. Number 5. Amazon Echo Sub. The best Echo subwoofer. As the name suggests, the Echo Sub is a dedicated subwoofer. It connects to the Echo, Echo Studio and Echo Dot, and bolsters the speaker's bass capabilities. On its own, the Echo Sub won't do much, other than play low-end frequencies. You'll need to pair it to Amazon's other speakers to reap the benefits. Unlike the others, this speaker is best placed on the floor. The Amazon Echo Sub has the potential to be a decent subwoofer to add to your existing Echo setup, but it won't be easy or quick to do so. This product is a great example of how smart wireless technology can be great, but is an absolute nightmare when it doesn't work. Unfortunately, the Echo Sub has several limitations which prevent me from recommending it to most users. The setup and pairing process can be as simple as a few clicks, or, as it was in my case, and very similar to other Amazon customers, it can take a few hours of trial and error, troubleshooting, and frustration before you can get it to play nice with your other Echo speakers. Who is it for? The Echo Sub is designed for those who love music. It'll drastically improve the low-end frequencies from your other Echo devices, creating a more engaging sound. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.